Hello, my name is Yogesh Brahmankar and I am the Innovation Director for Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell. I am here at CGC Chandigarh for the AI and Drone Expo and also launch of IPMCC. And I congratulate CGC for this particular program. I will say not the event, which is actually very inspiring and motivating for students. And my message to the institute and the students is that students should focus more on problem solving. Institute should focus more on developing maker mindset, developing design thinkers. And I'm sure that this kind of initiatives and programs will actually build a maker mindset in students. I congratulate the institute for the same. Another thing is how Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell is promoting the culture of innovation and entrepreneurship. We have different schemes like Innovation Council, Yukti, where we support the startup, mentor them and also fund the student startups especially because our mandate is education sector, being Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell. So we support the early stage student entrepreneurs. Second is that we also fund the patents filed by faculty members and students from the academia. There is a scheme called Kapila. Another, to promote the culture of innovation, problem solving, we have Smart India Hackathon. Now 7th edition of the Smart India Hackathon is going on right now as we speak. So Innovation Cell is putting its best efforts to promote innovation, culture of problem solving in academia, in education sector. Equally, we are also going to schools and promoting innovation and entrepreneurship in schools also.
I am Dr. Dapinder Kaur Bakshi and Joint Director with Punjab State Council Science and Technology. I would say it's a momentous day for us. We have collaborated with CTC Landran to launch IPMCC cell, which we call it as a IP Commercialization Management Cell in CGC. So today's program on the IP and Innovation Conclave is a big thing for us because we are working with the vision to set up these IPMCCs in all across the state. And this is the first official launch which we are doing with the CGC. And we're very happy to collaborate with the ACIC because their vision for innovation, for research, for startup and entrepreneurship deals with the vision of the Punjab State Council Science and Technology. So under our IPMCCs, we are looking for to support the innovators, startups on any kind of services which is required for IP management, IP protection, IP marketing. And I know the team of CGC Landran is great and they have in the domain of IP. And they will be able to, with our support, they will be able to nurture these students to take up the further step, not only for IP protection, but also take the innovations to the further level of a commercialization, marketability, and the monetization. I would also say that we are also working with CGC, ACIC on a grassroots innovators because we want end-to-end approach, where we are just not counting only all the advanced or emerging technologies and the innovations, but we are also working on the grassroots. So we've done a couple of programs with them and we are very happy that many of the entries they have been mobilized by them. And under this grassroots program, the potential innovators are being felicitated by the state government and even the award is being last year we had Honorable CM Punjab who awarded these potential grassroots. So we really look forward to this future journey and I'm very happy to say that I can see because with 80 startups which are already in CGC, we'll be able to really make impact in this region. Thank you so much.